Welcome to another How To Monday video. I am MindBlown Chef and this is Cooking Made Simple. In today's video, we're gonna do how to saute broccoli with garlic. Check it out. I do how-to videos. If you've never been to my channel, I will put the link in the description below. The how-to videos are designed for you when you're thinking at home, I wonder how you do that. That's what these videos are for. I also do awesome recipe videos, so make sure you go check out my channel. That being said, let's go. I only have 3 major ingredients here. Whenever I saute, we always use oil and salt, pepper. So I'm not gonna talk about those, but what I have here, I have some butter. I have, of course, shaved garlic. I like garlic. I like the way it tastes. If you wanna mince it, mince it. You won't get so much of the garlic flavor. That's why I shaved mine. We also have blanched broccoli. Not to worry if you have no idea what I'm talking about when I say blanched broccoli, or you need a little brush up on how to blanch broccoli, I will put the link to that video in this video. Hot saute pan, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, enough to coat the bottom. We're gonna bring that up to temp. As soon as it starts to smoke, we're gonna drop our broccoli in. Want to get a little bit of color on our broccoli. I patted my broccoli dry. I'm gonna drop it in here. I like a little bit of the stem with my broccoli. We're gonna let that get some color for flavor. Alright, right there, I got some color on my broccoli. Now we're gonna drop our heat all the way down. We're gonna flip our broccoli over. Okay. Right here, I'm gonna put my butter. I'm gonna put my garlic right here. That's why we dropped our heat, because I don't want my garlic to burn. But now we're gonna bring out some of that flavor from the garlic. I'm gonna salt and pepper my broccoli. Once you get that nice roast on your garlic, which should happen pretty fast, we're going to then bring everything together. Now at this point, I want to continue to cook my broccoli until it's done. I got color on my broccoli, I got color on my garlic, but I don't want to burn anything at this point. So you can either add water or chicken stock. I recommend chicken stock, obviously more flavor. You're just gonna put enough in there to finish cooking off this broccoli. We want a nice crunch to our broccoli. Unless you like your broccoli overly cooked, that's up to you, but I like a nice little bite to the broccoli. By the time this water evaporates, chicken stock, the broccoli will be fully cooked. Alright, this broccoli is nice fork tender, and you'll notice my pan, I have a nice tight glaze in here. That's the butter and the chicken stock mixed together well, made a nice tight glaze. That's what your pan should look like at the end. Your broccoli should still be nice and vibrant in color. We have some nice color here from our saute. And again, mine is nice fork tender. I like a little crunch. Again, that's up to you, but I think the correct way is to have a little crunch to your green vegetable. Let me tell you, when you treat your vegetables like that really hot date that you've always wanted to take out, boy, is the flavor just like you've never had broccoli in your life. Definitely worth doing that order, that way. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. Again, check out my channel, links down below.